Hello, it's Jeanette Beauty and welcome to my channel. Many of you have been asking me about rice water, if I've tried rice water, what are my thoughts, and will I make rice water related videos. Now, I have not tried rice water before, but because many of you have been asking me, I thought the least I could do was look into it, because you know I always look into and research the information that I do provide on my videos. I always choose quality over quantity. I always want to have some useful information, and that's why I started making videos here on my channel. I always wanted my viewers and my supporters to take away some valuable information, whether it's from wash day to styling my hair, different tips, different ingredients that you can use, what to look out for, what you should incorporate, and how to have a healthy hair journey, different factors. I mean, the list goes on. I really want you to be comfortable in taking care of your hair from A to Z. So quality over quantity always. Now, with that being said, I have done a lot of research, as I always do, and I found a lot of great information about rice water, so I will definitely be trying rice water. So I wanted to make rice water and fermented rice water here on my channel, because I will be making a few different concoctions with rice water, and of course they're going to be DIYs. I love my DIYs, you know that, from pre-poo to having a hot oil treatment. Also, I mix different oils to have one oil that I can use on my hair and scalp throughout the week, and it has really helped me maintain the health of my hair. And with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. The first ingredient and most important ingredient that I will be using is this white rice, and it's also enriched with folic acid, and folic acid is part of the B vitamin family and also referred to as vitamin B9, and it's not only beneficial to our hair but really important to our overall health, because it's going to help to regulate the red blood count and also keep our hair nice and healthy. To begin, I'm going to take half a cup of this rice and rinse it with some warm water to get rid of any dirt or impurities. I'm rinsing the rice for about 20 seconds. To store the rice water, I'm going to use this glass container because I like the way it looks. Also, it has this airtight balance seal closure, so say if I didn't use all the rice water and I want to save it, I can store it in the refrigerator for up to a week because it will seal out any air and moisture. Or if it gets accidentally knocked over, I don't have to worry about a mess being made. Here's a small bowl I'm going to pour the rice into, and also a cup of water, and then start to knead the rice until the water becomes cloudy. And then I'm going to transfer the rice and water to the glass container. And I decided to use distilled water as opposed to tap water because it doesn't contain toxins, harsh chemicals, and mineral deposits that could be damaging to our hair and scalp. And you can also use purified water. I poured 1 cup of the distilled water in the bowl with the rice, and now I'm just going to knead the rice to help encourage all that goodness to flow into the water. While I'm kneading this rice, I'm going to tell you a few things that makes rice water so potent and so special. It's because it has amino acids present, which is going to help with the regeneration of hair and aid in faster hair growth. Also, rice water contains vitamin B, C, and E, which is going to further help with the healthy hair growth. To help get the rice and the water into this glass jar, I will be using this funnel. And because I was kneading the rice and the water, some of it did get stuck in the funnel, which is totally fine because I used a 2nd cup of water, also a spoon, just to make sure that everything got into the glass jar as it should. And here's how the rice and the water look together so far. And to amp it up, I will be adding rosemary essential oil because it does help to encourage healthy hair and scalp by promoting nerve growth. It also helps to improve circulation to the scalp. It has anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps with dry or itchy scalp, and it helps to prevent dandruff. I added 6 drops of the rosemary essential oil, and I also added some geranium because it does help to encourage healthy hair and scalp as well. It's full of amino acids, which are the building blocks to healthy hair, and it also helps to fight free radicals. It also helps to balance the scalp's pH, cleanses the scalp, and helps to regulate sebum production. I added 6 drops as well. Now that I have all my ingredients in the jar, I can close it and let everything marinate for at least 30 minutes. So I say 30 minutes to an hour for rice water, and here's how it looks. I say 30 minutes to an hour if you don't have that much time but you still want to get the benefits of rice water. But if you do have a lot of time or you just prepare in advance, you can make fermented rice water, which I'm going to make right now. For the fermented rice water, I'm going to do everything that I just did to make the rice water, but instead I'm going to let the fermentation take its course and let the rice water sit for at least 24 hours. And you may be wondering if you should use fermented rice water or unfermented rice water, and I'll tell you that fermented rice water is more potent and the effects are more enhanced. Fermented rice water is rich in antioxidants, minerals, B vitamins, vitamin E, and traces of pitera, which is a substance that's produced during the fermentation process. Pitera is very special because it's known as the anti-aging elixir because it has the ability to promote cell regeneration and help skin to stay young and beautiful. Also, with the fermented rice water, the fermentation process lowers the pH, making it very similar to our hair's pH. So because of the slightly acidic pH plus the added nutrients from the fermentation process, overall the fermented rice water is going to help to restore our hair's pH balance and also help to nourish hair follicles to promote healthy hair growth and to improve the overall condition of our hair. Because fermented rice water has a low pH and tons of nutrients, it really helps to bring shine to your hair and also keeps it strong and healthy. For my fermented rice water, I will be adding several drops of lavender essential oil because it does help to encourage healthy hair and scalp by promoting healthy hair growth. It's also antimicrobial and it also helps to prevent dry and itchy scalp and prevent dandruff. I will also be adding 6 drops of rosemary essential oil. Now I'm going to put the lid on and let it sit out on the counter for at least 24 hours. And here's the 2 jars of rice water that I just made, and I wanted to show you compared to the distilled water. And you could already see that the vitamins, the minerals from the rice has already seeped into the distilled water. And I have fermented rice water already prepared from the previous day, and you can see the difference between the fermented rice water and the unfermented rice water, and you can see all the goodness that the fermented rice water has to offer. Here's a lot of the vitamins and nutrients found in rice water. Again, here's the unfermented rice water on the right and the fermented rice water on the left. Now it's time to strain, so whether you chose the fermented or unfermented rice water is up to you, but I chose the fermented rice water because of its packed nutrients. And I'm just going to strain the rice in the water, and once I have dumped the rice into the strainer, I am going to pack the rice down and make sure that I got the goodness that this rice water has to offer. And here's my 2 cups of fermented rice water. I decided that I'm going to dilute the fermented rice water so it's not too potent for my hair. And I like to use these mister bottles right here to spray anything onto my hair. So I will pour the rice water directly into this mister bottle about 2/3 the way. And then I will pour about 1/3 of distilled water into the mister bottle. And my fermented rice water is ready to use. Of course, you could put it into a bowl and apply onto your hair and scalp that way, or you could put it into a spray bottle. I like to use a mister bottle or a spray bottle when I'm applying directly into my hair because I have more control, but whatever you're comfortable with, just use it that way and apply onto your hair. Fermented rice water and rice water is really good for your hair and scalp nonetheless. As always, thank you for watching my video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and learned a few things. And if you did, please give me a like, comment, subscribe if you're not, and share. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.